Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Birwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as partition value. Let's see the sum. Age less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Number of persons 15, 30, 53, 75, 100, 110, 115, 125. You have been asked to find out Q1, Q2 and Q3. Find Q1, Q2 and Q3. They've asked you to find out the three quartiles. So the first thing that you need to do is make class interval. Class interval less than 10, that means 0 to 10, continue 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Right? Frequency, this is going to be 15 as it is, 30 minus 15. Subtract the second term from the first term. So in that case, you will get this as 15. Then this is 53 minus 30. That is going to be 23. 75 minus 53, 22. 100 minus 75, 25. 110 minus 100, 10. 5. And this is going to be 10 again. Right? Now this less than what you got is your less than CF. The number of people that you have for less than class interval is your less than CF. This number is n. First you find out class of Q1. Class of Q1 is n upon 4th term. That's 125 upon 4th term. 125 upon 4th term is going to give you 31.25. Now 31.25 is less than which number in the CF column? 31.25 is less than 53 in the CF column. 31.25 is less than 53 in CF column. In which case I can therefore say that L1 is 20, L2 is 30, F is 23 and CF is the number above this. So the CF will be 30. Q1 is L1 plus n by 4 minus CF upon F L2 minus L1. Right? You can substitute your values and get the answer. You should get the answer for Q1 as 20.54. Next, I can say that Q2, class of Q2. Class of Q2 is n upon 2th term. Right? So that's 125 divided by 2. That is going to be nothing but 62.5. 62.5. Now 62.5 is less than 75 in CF column. 62.5 is less than 75 in CF column. 62.5 is less than 75 in CF column. Therefore, I can say that L1 is 30, L2 is 40, F is 22 and CF is going to be the number above this, that's 53. Once you have this, then you can find out Q2, L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F L2 minus L1. You can substitute your values and get the answer. The answer for this should come out to 34.31. Next, class of Q3. Class of Q3 is going to be 3n by 4th term. So this is going to be 3n by 4th term will be 3 into 125 by 4, which is nothing but 93.75. Now 93.75 is less than 100 in CF column. Is less than 100 in CF column. In which case L1 is 40, L2 is 50, F is 25, CF is the number in the column above, that's 75. Q3 is L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF upon F L2 minus L1. When you simplify this, you should get this answer. The answer for Q3 should come to 47.5. That's your answer that you should get. That's how you find out Q1, Q2 and Q3. So these were quantiles. Let's revise something else now. Let's revise deciles. Suppose if you have a question like this. Find 4th and 7th decile for the following data. The data is given to you as 28, 23, 18, 40, 20, 30, 35, 38, 25, 33. Now the first thing that you need to do is arrange data in ascending order. Arrange data in ascending order. If I arrange data in ascending order, I will get the data as 18, 20, 23, 25. Now this 18, 20, 23. Then you have 18 we've done, 20 we've done, 23 we've done, 25,
28.
Then you have 28. That's done. After 28 you have 30, then you have 33, 35, 38 and 40. N is the number of terms that you have here. The number of terms that you have. In this case, if you count the number of terms that you have is 10. There are 10 terms that you have. Right? So in that case, the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to find out the class of D4. Let's see how we find out the class of D4. N is 10, so I can find out D4. D4 is going to be nothing but 4 times n plus 1 upon 10. So this is going to be 4 into 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10. So which is going to be 4.4 10th term. Therefore I can say D4 is 4th term plus 0.4 times 5th minus the 4th term. Right? 4th term 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 plus 0.4 times 28 minus 25. So when you simplify this is 25 plus 0.4 into 3, that's 1.2, that's 26.2. So you'll get D4 as 26.2. Once I've done D4, you should be able to find out D7 on your own. I'll leave D7 for you all to solve on your own. Look at this and solve D7. Right? You should be able to get D7. If you want, I will write the formula for you. 7n plus 1 upon 10. Solve D7, you should get the answer for D7 as 34.4. Right? Let's see another sum, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a couple of sums and I'll let you all solve a couple of sums. Find 4th and 8th decile for the following data. Now I'll find the 4th and I'll leave 8th for you to solve. So that way you will know how to solve the sum. Let's see the data first. Class interval. Class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency. Frequency is given to you as 2485, 2485 and 643. 2485, 643, up till 70. Now the first thing that you do is you find out less than CF. How do I find out less than CF? The number comes here as it is 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 3, 32. Right? Once you have this, I'm going to do only D4, I'm going to leave D8 for you to solve. So please pay attention. First you find out class of D4. Class of D4 is 4n upon 10 item. So this is 4 into 32 upon 10. When you simplify this will give you 12.8. Now check 12.8 is less than which number in CF column? 12.8 is less than 14 in CF column. So in that case, L1 will be 20, L2 will be 30, F will be 8, and CF is going to be the number above this. So CF is going to be 6. Once you have this, then you can find out D4. D4 is L1 plus 4n by 10 minus CF upon F, L2 minus L1. You have all your values, you can substitute and get the answer. The answer that you should get for D4 is 28.5. Similarly, I would like you all to solve D8 on your own, and you should get the answer for D8. See the method, use the method, solve the answer. When you solve D8, you should get D8 as 51.5. I'm going to do half sums, and I want you all to complete the sum. Let's see this. Once you've done this, let's give you another sum of similar type. This was third. Let's see the fourth sum. Class interval. You make small variations in the sum. 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. Frequency is 4786, and 5. First thing that you need to do is you need to find out your less than CF. Less than CF is 4, 11, 19, 25, 30. Right? Once you have this is going to be N. They've asked you to find D3 and D7. I'll only find out D3. I'll tell you to find D7 on your own. Now first I'll find out class of D3. Class of D3 is 3n by 10. So this is going to be 3 into n. That's 30 by 10. So this is going to be 9. 9 is less than 11 in CF column. Now, the important thing to note here is that the class interval is not continuous. This is 9, this is 10, right? Since the class interval is not continuous, you will reduce the lower limit by 0.5 and you will increase the upper limit by 0.5. When the class interval is not continuous, you reduce the lower limit by 0.5, increase the upper limit by 0.5. F is 7, CF is 4. So in that case, you will say D3 is L1 plus 3n by 10 minus CF upon F, L2 minus L1. Right? Substitute the values, get your answer. Your answer should be 16.64. When you solve this, you should get your answer as 16.64. I've shown you D3 method. Use the same method to find out D7. Your answer for D7 should be 22.83. Fine, do we get this in here? Next, let's move on to the next one, guys. Let's see percentiles. Find 36th and 79th percentile. Find 36th and 79th percentile for the following data. The data is 15, 24, 18, 30, 40, 12, 32, 26, 21, 25. First thing you need to do is arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange data in ascending order. If I arrange data in ascending order, I will get this as 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 25. Then you will have 26, 30, 32 and 40. The number of terms that you have is 10. Now I want to find out P36. I want to find out the 36th percentile. So that will be 36 n plus 1 percentile you divide by 100. So this will be 36 into 11 upon 100. When you simplify this, you will get this as 3.96 term. Right? So P36 is the third term plus 0.96 times fourth minus third term. So third term is 18 plus 0.96 fourth term is 21 minus 18. So 18 plus 0.96 into 3. When you simplify this, you will get this answer as 20.88. Once you have P36, I want you to use the same analogy, same logic and find out P79. Find P79 on your own. Right? Now, when you find this, the answer for this should come out to 31.38. Right? Next, let's move on to the next sum. Let's see the next sum. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Oh, till 50 only you have. Frequency is given to you as 10, 12, 18, 8, 2. Right? You have to find out P46, P68 and P82. I'll only find out P46, 68 and 82, then you can find out on your own. First thing you do is you find out less than CF. 10, 10, 22, 30, 40, 48, 50. This number is M. Right? Class of P46 is going to be 46 n upon 100. So this is going to be 46 into 50 upon 100. So that will come out to be 23. Now 23 is less than 40 in CF column. Since 23 is less than 40 in CF column, L1 will be 20, L2 will be 30, F will be 18 and CF will be the number above this. So CF will be equal to 22. Once you have this, then you can find out P46. P46 is L1 plus 46N upon 100 minus CF upon F, L2 minus L1. Right? Substitute your values, you should be able to get the answer. The answer for this should be 20.56. Right? That will be your P46. I've shown you the method, use the method and similarly find out P68 and P72. The answer for P68 and P72 is going to be, for P68 it is going to be 26.67 and for P72 the answer is going to be 31.25. Right?
Oh, that's P82.
P82. Okay. P82. Right? Next, let's see another sum, guys. They have given you class interval is given to you as 10 to 13, 14 to 17. Class interval is not continuous. Remember, I just taught you this: 18 to 21, 22 to 25 and 26 to 29. Frequency is given to you as 12, 26, 28, 20 and 14. Right? They've asked you to find out. This is a mixture of everything. Find the value of Q1, Q3, first quartile, third quartile, second and ninth decile. Second and ninth decile and the 45th and 87th percentile. 45th and 87th percentile. Now that we've done the entire chapter, this whole sum you should be able to do on your own. I'll give you the answer for this. The answer for this should be 15.5 Q1 should be 15.5 Q3 should be equal to 23.3 D2 should be equal to 13.73 D9 should be equal to 26.3 P45 should be equal to 45th percentile. P45 should be equal to 18.58 and P87 you should get the answer as 25.7. That finishes this chapter. We'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.